As China's megacity Shanghai has largely returned to normal production and life, after 2 months of closed-off management to contain the COVID-19 resurgence, the city's hospitality industry is gradually resuming business. Popular tourist attractions including the Bund and Nanjing Road pedestrian street are now open to the public. The Oriental Pearl Tower, one of Shanghai's landmarks, has reopened its 2 sightseeing corridors, capping visitor numbers at below 50% of maximum capacity. Some tourist sites have offered free trips or ticket discounts to attract visitors. Rural tourism is also heating up, which is leading to a revival of the homestay business. According to China's booking app Ctrip, more than 550 hotels in Shanghai have resumed business. Among them, nearly 40% are high-ranking starred hotels.
在之前，我们25号呢，酒店进行了整体的消杀，也出具了相应的环境检测报告，然后酒店员工也进行了7天的一个集中的隔离，然后我们也进行了每天的核酸检测。现在目前酒店正式的对外营业，住店客只需要持72小时的核酸证明，就可以正式的来我们酒店进行入住。